Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Sunday ngayon. Open natin. Kanina lang ako nagising. Yung ano lang si Tami. Nakahiga doon. Binibaby ko. Niyuyug-yug ko. Nakatulog ulit. Nakatulog siya ulit. Niyuyug ko kasi. Nandiyan siya dyan. Mag-ano muna ako sa mga pusa. Yung rice ko, nagluto ako kahapon ng rice kasi akala ko dito kami kakain. Hindi namin alam na i-ano kami ni sister-in-law tawagan para kakain sa labas. Nakalimutan ko yung rice. Nakalimutan ko yung rice is ilagay sa container, ilagay sa refrigerator. So, hindi. Open ko lang siya para talaga ma-dry ba. Kasi ayaw ko yung mag-mold. Inano ko na, nilinis ko na siya. Pero gusto ko talaga totally dry. Nag-aasa natin yung mga IV. Tumaas na siya. Look. Ano na siya? Ano siya? Pero ito siya, guys. Namamatay yung dahon. Oh. Hindi ko alam talaga. Look. Namamatay yung mga dahon niya. Gusto kong i-transfer pero hindi ko alam kung saan ko i-transfer yan. Anyway, good morning. You like the fireplace, Baba? God. Ito, guys. Ang display ko, guys, kahit saan-saan na nakarating. Sila, tinutumba nila talaga ito. Kaluka naman ito talaga. Tinutumba na lang lahat. Hindi na makatayo si Paring. Nasaan yung dalawa? Gusto nila yung fireplace. Yan, doon yung dalawa. Come here, come here, baby. Hello. Hi, dear. Hello, baby. Natulog si Dada. Oh. Hello. Hi, dear. Another one. Ito. So, ginawa ko mga Christmas decor ko talaga. Ang ginaw, guys, grabe. I think 20 degrees something. Tignan niyo, anak. Tignan niyo. Nababaliw na, oh. Okay. Okay, look. Pee! Gusto niya. Tignan mo, guys. Kalutong ito, pusang ito. Oh. Okay, I roll it over there. Brrr. Do you wanna play? Look, dimple. You cannot eat that, huh? You're not allowed to eat that. It's in his paw. you guys are funny. Misty. Ngayon, guys, mag-ano lang ako, guys, fried rice kasi tulog pa Tami. So ngayon magpa-fried rice ako and yung gamitin ko is yung oil sa adobo kasi mas may lasa talaga siya. Time check, it is 8:45 na. And tawagan ko ba yung sister ko? Mamaya ko na lang sila tawagan. Oh, I'm going to fry a lot of rice right now because ang daming oil. Malasa ito yung ano ko, naamoy ko yung adobo dito. Malasa itong ano, kasi may mga soy pa siya. As in, hagok na hagok. Hilik na hilik talaga. Anyway, so, alam niyo guys, si Tami ba? Alis ako sana March, guys, ba? Uwi ako Pilipinas March. Hindi ko pa alam, wala pa akong ticket, hindi ko pa alam kung anong date, hindi ko alam. Gusto ko March umuwi. Baka, iwan ko, baka March o April na. Fried rice natin. And then, luto lang din tayo ng eggs. Yun lang, and coffee. You're so cute. You're so cute. Give it to Dada. Give it to Dada.
For good.
My little man.
Yes. Your little boy.
Morning.
Hindi ko na natapos yung pag-i-edit ko. Nalubat yung laptop. Dalhin natin sa taas. Kasi lubert. Why? Do you want lipstick?
What?
Do you want me to put lipstick on you? So, yun. Going up. Nakaano na ako, nakapag-hepbit. Hipbit. Hindi pa puno yung laptop ko. Ginoo ko. Ang tagal. Maglagot man yung napkin ba? Ano nga mag-napkin? Ka na ganing maglagay ka ng napkin na parang feeling mo umaabot na sa likuran mo yung napkin. Ang taas kasi ng napkin. Yung napkin na taas ba? Yung panggabi? Gustong gusto ko yun. Pero sobrang nipis. Sobrang nipis niya. Gusto ko yun. Huh? So, para kapag umaalis ako, feeling ko umabot dito sa likuran ko. Feeling ko lang naman. Pero pag tinatouch ko, hindi naman. May feeling talaga tayo, no? Feeling. Anyway, guys.
Tay, hawakan mo.
Hawakan mo, Daddy.
Hindi mo pinili yan eh.
Nandyan pala kayo, nakalimutan ko. Nanonood ako ng, nagbablog na si Ogie Diaz. Nanonood ako kay Ogie. Nakakatawa man itong si Ogie Diaz. Oy. Sa mga bagong subscribers ko dyan, hello po mga bagong subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing sa channel namin ni Tami. Thank you so much sa mga bago dyan. Hi. At saka sa mga matagal na dito. Hello po. Thank you. And yeah, so nakalimutan ko pala kayong andito kayo. Inano ko lang na mamaya na ako alis. Kasi hindi pa man, ano pa, 12:30 pa at saka 1:30 ko siya kunin. So, magluluto kami dito ni Lloydie ng pork adobo with tomato. Yeah. Anyway, so let's edit quick video and then I will see you later. Yep. Ang ginaw siya guys. So, magja-jacket naman ako. Meron naman ako mga coat-coat doon. Alis na ako guys. Kunin ko si Lloydie. And yung asawa ko is frishy. And you cannot go outside like that, you know?
That's outside like this.
You know,
It wasn't in the garage.
it's freezing and your head is still wet. Okay, can you put this in the garbage? Hello, where's my car key?
That's a good question, huh?
Alis ako guys, pero walang car keys. Kaluka man ito eh. Paano ako nito mag-drive? Masakit yung likod ko guys. Hindi ko talaga alam bakit masakit. Here.
Thank you.
I love you. Go inside na.
To drive careful.
Yeah, I will text you. Bye-bye. He opened the garage. My husband is such a good baby. He's such a good baby. But anyway guys, I will see you later. Kunin ko si Lloydie and then punta kami sa dollar store. Okay, hanap tayo mag-ano be, pang-gift. Dito tayo guys. Balik tayo dito. Dito be, oh. Dito be, marami ka nga. Nandito be. So, maganda siya, diba? Isa na siyang, ito yung binili ko be. Tignan mo yung price. Dalawa na. Iba-iba color, may gray. Ito yung color na binili ko, oh. Ay, sorry. Alam, may puti, be. Anong regalo, be? 20, diba? Gusto mo yan? Yung color na yan?
Oo. Tapos ganito.
Hanap tayo pa. Na, mga medyas. $1. Hala, be. Cute naman ito. Be, your color, oh. Be, color mo. Taas din, be. Maganda siya. Maganda sana siya. 40 lang. $40. Ano plano mo? Regalo? Mag-ano ka pang regalo?
Ikaw?
Mag-ano ako? Dito, oh, pang bahay, oh. Ito. Oh, maganda to. Maganda to. $6. Maganda, oh. Ganyan? Ganyan. Iba talaga tayo, no? Marami si Bia ng ganyan, be. Tarnish. Talaga? Tingin-tingin ka lang, be.
Gusto ko yung mga ganyan.
Ito sa baboy. Baboy ba to? Parang hindi naman.
Yung isang klase.
My darling wife. Ay, pang ano yan? Daming sapatos.
One eternity later.
No coffee for you. Look at this. And meron akong tagahugas ng pinggan. Tami dito din si Tami. Look.
I said if you have milk, I drink milk.
Na?
If I had a glass of milk, you would drink that.
Yeah.
Right? You like milk, but not.
Yun lang guys. Wala na kami pumunta dito. Ano ng oras? 4:30.
Mabilis lang luto na lang.
Luto na lang pero sana hindi yan matigas.
Bakit?
Kasi ano? Ha? Kasi kapag matigas talagang tagalin ko. Bi, tignan mo nga. Bi, hindi ka nagbabasa ng mga messages, no? Ano? Lako, sige, Han.
Well, I had
Stuff for you. Broxton. Look, ano?
Ito ba makalimutan mo yung ano?
Look, Han. What? That's good for it.
a nail brush,
Yeah, this is like... We should,
calluses, right? I got
yeah.
a hat and scarf.
This one is for fun.
Yeah, it's for
The other
fun.
one.
Yeah, for scrubbing your back.
Yeah. She wants to go back over there.
Yeah.
It's a nice place,
It's a good
right?
store.
Yeah, so this is actually.
Han, can you take this off for me? The price. And this one too. This is like, look at the price. It's not bad, right? Huh?
Yeah, $10.
Busy din si Lloydie. Kinuha yung... Hey.
Gusto ko lang itong box na.
Gusto mo yan, be?
Yung box lang.
You think this will fit here, Han? This thing? This is heavy, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Heart warmer? It's a heart warmer.
This one? It's actually. It's like
Like an
Candle.
incense- Like
A
for
candle.
incense?
Yes, I don't know. Tinakot. Natakot.
Oh, this is ugly. They said they have to use ugly
No, I like
sweater.
The very whatever. My Christmas doesn't bomb, but
Mary mo din.
very whatever.
Opo, lo. Water.
And the bit that I have
No.
to bring, it's in the house.
No.
You wanna stop over there? Ano, sabi kanina ni Kuya sa akin, pwede na wala.
I'm so tired, really.
Kasi sabi pa niya, ang dami na daw.
You can just stop at a store and wait and grab a thing and just grab chips.
No,
from
Kuya
here.
Vic said that they have a lot of chips. So,
Coffee.
coffee?
She loves coffee. Yeah.
I can do it.
Nakaka-couple shirt silang dalawa.
Same color lang.
Oh, yeah.
Wala kaming ano.
When I told
Ate,
Jay,
yung bata yan na.
oh yeah, this is for the teens. I got it for the teens. You know my size.
Pang bata, guys.
I go to the ladies size. The
Big.
extra small is still big for me. So I go to the children's size. So I just
It fit her really well, but you get insulted that it was like for the kids wanted to see more wear.
I don't care. Because if I wear it too big, I don't feel good. So
I agree.
it's okay.
I agree. What's the difference?
But there naman
The
there.
idea is you get what fits.
And you remember, I remember when I got here, he bought me a lot of jeans. Jeans that I don't like. Yung makapalong
You
suga.
didn't like them, but then you felt like
No, because it's all like Maria carries. It's a lot of butterflies everywhere. I gave it to my sister. It's like butterflies everywhere. Butterflies here. And with the big bill, pink with butterfly. Okay guys, alis lang kami and I'm going to put everything in the car.
One debt to society later.
It's crunchy. Is it juicy? It's juicy and
What was that little juicy?
honey crisp tamis apple. I just got here, guys. So we dropped Lloydie, and then after dropping Lloydie, we came here, and then Lou just left. What I got for Christmas gift. Ethel, if you're watching, you watch my vlog. Ang ganda nito, Ethel. Maganda pang coffee. Nagmatch siya sa mga plato ko because Tami, we have white lukan. I like white, lukan. And hindi man ito sobrang white, pero I like it. It's not really that white. Because if you're talking about white, look. So white. Look at the burger. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's already 11 o'clock at night. Bye. Good night. Bye, baby. Night, Han.
Hi, guys.
Iniwan ko si Tami, guys. Pero you're okay, right? You're okay that I left you for a few hours? You're not mad?
Nope.
It's okay, guys. Bye, guys. Good night.